Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. And I promised Meat is Murder that I would air fry the other half of my Beyond Chicken plant-based breaded tenders. So here they are again. I got 6 in this package. Some people say they only get 5. I got 6. Don't know whether that was a fluke or not, but here they are. I air fried them at 450 degrees for 15 minutes, and I'm going to have them with some honey mustard sauce for a change. And I will have the recipe for the honey mustard sauce on my blog, and I'll link it in the description because it's really good. Of course, it's vegan. It's not real honey. It's agave nectar, but okay, so here goes. You can compare the crunch. Nope. Still pretty darn crunchy. Maybe not quite as crunchy as the ones in the first video, but I deep fried them. Don't tell anybody. These are air fried, but the others are deep fried. And honestly, I mean, you're probably not eating this for your health anyway, so you might like to deep fry them. But you know, if you really don't want to, go ahead and air fry them. You may feel like you get a little bit of an advantage by air frying. Well, I did spray these with avocado oil before I put them in. You can leave out the avocado oil, but I don't think you will get anywhere near the crunch that I got with the avocado oil, and it's nothing compared to the crunch that you get when you deep fry them. Just don't tell anybody. The vegan police are watching. Anyway, thanks for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, and visiting my community tab, which will be a mixture of goofy and serious. See you later, guys.